Getting high ping or network lag in LDPlayer to stall break, like delays, slow loading, or unstable gameplay. Yeah, let's fix that and boost your connection. First, test your internet connection. Low speed or unstable Wi-Fi can cause lag instantly. Quick fix iPo, restart your router and computer. This refreshes your network connection. If possible, switch to Ethernet. It's more stable than Wi-Fi and reduces ping. VPNs can increase latency. Turn it off for better connection speed. Stop apps using your internet. They can slow down your connection. Switch to a faster DNS. Use Google DNS or another reliable option. Pick the nearest server in-game. Closer servers mean lower ping. Make sure you're on the latest version. Updates improve network performance. Last fix, reset your network. This solves deeper connection issues. So improve your connection, use Ethernet, disable VPN, and optimize network settings. That's how you reduce lag and boost speed in LDPlayer.